2 more minutes so that he can be like, "Hey, what the fuck? Oh, why do you always come literally when I'm about to close?"
What up, guys doing? Hope you guys can hear me.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, thank you for that.
I'm back, guys. 1 second. Let me make sure you guys can hear me. 1 second.
I'm good, bro. I'm good. I was just about to close up, but I didn't want to do you dirty like I did last time. You know what I mean?
And you know what I mean? I think the time zones also shifted, so you guys are now like
Oh,
on
that's it.
the program at service starts 1 hour.
Alright.
So
It works.
Oh, damn.
Did
Wait, where are
I
we?
think I actually have to call Kingston anyway.
Oh, that's
Oh,
right.
really?
Do they not change GMT? Like, what's the deal?
What up, guys? Like, guys doing? Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Hour, man. I've been going for a bit. I'm back. I keep saying I'm back, and I'm back. I'm trying to figure out the best time for the show. Because the kids are busy doing all kinds of events. So, but immediately when I get a chance to come on, I come on. So we'll talk about the market today. We'll talk about the market kind of went up sharply now. Thank you. The market went up nicely now. I think we're almost at 75K, which is pretty cool. What is going on with this thing? It looks weird. Like, what's up with this? I don't know, but yeah, okay, cool. Market's looking good, man. Looking good. We currently at we're almost at $75,000, man, for Bitcoin, which is crazy from nowhere. Just a nice pump recently. I'm not sure exactly what was happening. There's nothing. I'm assuming probably just short squeeze, right? Give me a second. Let me just give me a second. I'm actually fasting right now, man. I'm on the 3-day fast, man. Like 3 days, no food for 3 days. So that's my first drink of the day. We're at I'm at the 24-hour mark right now. So yep. Let me share my screen. Give me a second, guys. Just give me 1 sec. Give me a second. Let me share my screen. Where'd you go? There we go. Share screen. Oh boy. There we go. Share screen. What we're looking at. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, we just wait. We wait to 70,000, 70. Wait, what? That can't be right. Yeah, we wait to almost 75,000. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so you guys see my screen here. I'm on the weekly charts. So I've been using AI to help me trade, right? And I'll show you guys. I tweeted how to set it up. I might go through it again, but what I'm trying to do is to stick to the higher time frames. Of course, you could trade 15 minutes, whatever, right? But I'm trying to stay true to trading on the higher time frames because I just feel like you get a better you get a better price accuracy with the high time frames. Yeah, so that's what I'm basically focusing on, and I'll show you guys that real quick too, man. But in the meantime, yeah, we had a this is the weekly chart. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame. So this is a 4 hour chart right here. We're currently approaching. Actually, not approaching. We in a supply zone right now, which means a supply zone that might not hold. We'll see. The last time we entered this, so this is the orange zone here. This is a sell zone. The last time we entered the sell zone was March 16th. Oh, wait, March. Yeah, wow. It's been a while. The last time we were here was March 16th. So almost a month ago, like 26 days ago was the last time we hit this supply zone on the 4-hour chart, and we dumped all the way down to basically mid 60s, and we worked our way up from March 26 all the way up into this supply zone again. So we'll see what happens here. If we're able to break through it, we might be able to break through it. I think we will, because I mean, of course, not guaranteed. But I just don't think we'll spend 4 weeks, almost one whole month, away from this supply zone and not break it. I think we're going to break it, but we'll see what happens though. As of right now, that's where we are. So if you could take a short, maybe we could probably go down a little bit from this and probably try to break it again. We'll see. But as of right now, we have a strong wick trying to break this the supply zone here between 73,100 to 74,008. Right now we have 74,004. So we'll see what happens. We'll see. But this is the 4-hour chart. So let me show you guys real quick, man. This is my AI, man. This is my AI dashboard I'll be using right here. Oh, right, preview. So it's right here. This is my I built this stuff a couple weeks ago, and I've been improving it. I've been taking trades on this, and it's pretty cool, man. It's really cool. It tells me when to buy, when to sell, which time frame to use. It tells me everything. And I built this stuff by myself for free. I built this stuff, just recently, and I'm using this stuff to help me trade, man. But so far so good. It's been working. So far so good. But let me show you guys how this shit works, man. Give me a second. As you guys can see here, I have 5 different time frames I use, right? Like I said, I will show you how to do it. And it's free. It's free. So on every time frame that I'm using, I have the weekly time frame here, I have the daily, I have the 4-hour, I have the 1 hour, and also have the 15-minute time frame. And it tells me by percentage, my buy zones. Am I buying on the 1 hour? Am I buying on the 15 minutes, on the 4-hour, on the daily or the weekly? So yeah, and I have all these indicators already set. All this is AI, and it tells me based on the information I gave it. So it's using indicators like Super Trend, RSI, MACD, stochastic RSI, Wave Trend, Williams R, CCI, ADX, Momentum Squeeze, and the VWAP. So it basically combines all these indicators and kind of tells me which direction the market is going. It's pretty cool, man. It's really cool. I like it a lot because I think this is what I use, man. If I want to take a trade, and it also gives you. Let me show you guys. Let me look at the hourly, and it also tells you. Look at this. This is so cool, man. I built this all by myself, and it also tells you if you do take a trade, what your stop loss should be, what your take profit should be. And take profit 2, and if you're using the 1-to-2 ratio, but This is really crazy. Like freaking, I built my own live AI dashboard. It lets me use the Lux Algo trading indicator. These are the best indicators on TradingView, right? And I installed it on here all for free, guys. I didn't pay $1, all for free. And it tells me, is it leaning bullish or is it leaning buy, leaning sell, all based on the time frame, right? I'm using a 4 hour, right? So this is 4 hour. Based on the time frame, it just tells you what to do here. So buy, and sell. It's cool, but basically everything based on the indicators here, it's telling me to buy right now if I'm trading a 4 hour. But yeah, man. So this is my AI live trading my live trading dashboard that gives me hey.
There's a love bug upstairs.
Okay, I'll come get it. That's my door. Yeah, so guys, this is really cool, man. This is really, really cool because I think a lot of people trade and don't have help. And we have all the tools now, guys. We really, really do. So you should be able to do well with this. You should. Hey, Crucifixion, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? Yeah, man. I need to be back on the show, guys. I need to be back with the trading show every day like I used to. Because I do go to the gym. Like tomorrow I go to. Oh wait, I think I could be. I'm going to do it, man. I think I should be back on the show like I used to. But I'm trying to figure out the schedule. But once I have I get my schedule done, I just go live, man. So as of right now, Bitcoin is trying to break this massive sell zone. We've had last time we were at this price was 4 weeks ago. About 1 month ago was the last time we hit 74,700, man. We're pushing, we're trying to push it. Yeah, man. So let me see if I could take a trade on this, man. Like I said, I'm still in the phase of testing things out, but I'm not, I get distracted too easily, man. I probably should take a trade. I could have had a very, very good entry with this on my daily chart, man. So let me see if I could take a trade here, but it's okay. We'll see. Shit. Whatever. I'll just leave this for now. So I'm going to retweet how I set up my trading bots. So my trading dashboard. Let me see. So let me see. Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah, man, I need to get back to doing the shows, man. I'm not consistent. I'm trying to get back, but I will. I promise, definitely will. So let me see. I did tweet this a while ago, how to set up the bots, right? What I'll do is I'll post it again for you guys to see. It's very, very easy to do and it's free. All you need to know about markets. 1 second. Here we go. This is right here. All right, perfect. All right, so I'm going to copy this stuff again and post it again for you guys. So let me just retweet this. So let me post it again. And this stuff is free, by the way. It doesn't cost you anything. It's freaking free. Can you imagine that? Having your own trading dashboard, it's unbelievable, guys. It's really, really useful. It really, really is. It really, really is, man. Let me go back to exit preview. Yeah. Let me see. Let me go to weekly, daily, 4 hour. I take a screenshot of this. Yeah, this stuff unbelievable, man. It has a lot of information there, and you could customize it to your liking. You could customize it to your liking, whatever you want to do with it, customize it. But I'm gonna post it. I've already retweeted it. I'm gonna post it again for you guys real quick. If you're watching, and maybe one of these days I could maybe build one from scratch and show you what it looks like. But it's very simple. Just follow the instructions here. It's very, very simple. Create AI live trading dashboard. Use link below. There's a link right here. All right, let me put this down. Let me take a blink. Let me take a blink of bands. I'll leave wave trend. Which one did I use? I used let me add the market, it wants to break, it's trying to push up higher. It's trying, definitely trying. Let me get this. Let's see. Let's see. There we go. Added this one right here. Community channel index and William RSR. Okay, cool. This two. And which one I take out? Okay. All right. I'm just adding more for you guys. Yeah, Bitcoin is trying to break 75K, man. Yeah, it's trying to break 75K. Let me see right now. Where are we? Hey, Just what's up, bro? I'm trying to post this for you guys real quick, man. Think is okay. This is the prompts. Type in this prompt. Let me see. What else am I gonna take? I'll use. Okay, let me put it right here. There we go. Williams, great. Okay, perfect. I'm just updating my last tweet for you guys real quick, man. So you guys have the more recent one. Just 1 second. Okay, and add one more. Yeah, it's crazy. Created this stuff all by myself, man. Just it took me like minutes to do it. It wasn't even long. So here you go. So it says, so go. I'm gonna post it again with showing this stuff again, and you're basically gonna create your own live. Let me see. Buy and sell signals. Use link below. Type in this prompt. Create a live dashboard. Blah 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 blah. Plus tick, man. That's it, guys. I'm gonna post it again. So boom, I just posted it again. Okay. I just posted it again for you guys. Let me make sure the link will work. Just create an account, and that's it. Use your email to create an account. That's it. You're done. It's free. Easy peasy. I'm just double checking the link to make sure it works. It should. Yeah, it's fine. It works. It works. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna show you guys again. This is my trading dashboard. I created this stuff like a couple weeks ago, and I've been adding to it. You could add whatever you want to it, customize it to your own liking. I'm gonna go through it again. Use the website, type in a prompt, it to create this for you. It to look like this. And you could add actually. Let me add one thing. Let me add one thing. you should add your time frame. Add let me see. Let me edit. Let me edit it real quick. Edits. Create AI live trading dashboard. Trading. We have 1 hour. Let me add the 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour, daily and weekly. Wait 1 second. 1 hour, 4 hour, 24 hour, 24 hour, and weekly charts. There you go. That's it. Okay, that's it. Because you do this, you could kind of toggle between any you could toggle between any time frame you want. So basically, this is the AI live. This is the AI live trading. Where did you go? Okay, right here. Okay, here you go. This is live AI trading dashboard I use. It tells me everything I need to know. It tells me everything I need to know. And you guys can't go wrong with it. You guys can't go wrong with this. It's not working. So you could go between weekly, then daily, then 4 hour, then 1 hour, then 15 minutes. Every time frame gives you a different entry, take profit zone. You could set it automatically. Done. It tells you basically all these indicators tells you, overbought, oversold. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? But overall, it tells you, are you buying or are you selling, or should you wait? Like right now on the weekly chart, it says wait. On the daily, it said sell on the daily. On the 4 hour, it says buy. But it all depends on your trading time frame. Which trading time frame are you using? For me, I like the longer time frames actually. I want to check something here real quick, man. I was trying to look at something. I want to look at something. Let me see. I was trying to look at, because I asked this. Okay, so I was asking it like, which pro tips does it recommend, right? It says pro tip to use the multi time frame. So for me, it's saying the best trades is when you use like the 4 hour and the daily, combine them both. And basically, if the time frames, if they agree, like for example, on the 4 hour it says buy, on the daily it says sell. So if you have, if it's telling you to buy on the 4 hour, telling you to buy on the daily, then you have a stronger trade, because it's saying the combination historically filters out 60% of false signals, gives you a higher conviction trade. So for example, now if I'm looking at trading the 1 hour and the 4 hour, then I'm like, okay, look, on the 1 hour, I could buy. On the 4 hour, also say buy. So I could take a trade based on a 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. And I don't want to hold this trade too long, because on a 4 hour, I'll say maybe don't hold this trade longer than four or 5 days, maybe a week. Because on the 1 hour it says buy, on a 4 hour it says buy. So I have two time frames that align. I could take a trade based on that. Yeah, so this stuff works, guys. It really, really does. I've talked about this a bit. And you can check my Twitter page. I posted this stuff for you guys to create your own your own trading what's it called? 1 second. It's water. Oh, feels good. Create your own trading live dashboard. And you can sit right here, guys, right here. It's very, very simple. Just follow the instructions, guys. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. It takes away all the guessing. It takes away the emotion. And of course, I would tell you it's not 100% guaranteed. It is a guide, but it does work because I mean that's why you do have risk management, right? For example, here, if I'm trading a 1 hour and a 4 hour, I have 2 buy signals. So on the 1 hour, it says my entry is 74,696. Stop loss at 73,000. Take profits at 76,003. On the 4 hour, basic is telling me entry right now, take profit at 77. And yeah, so you could use this, right? You have 2 time frames that align, actually 3 time frames that align. You have the 15 minutes says buy, 1 hour says buy, 4 hours says buy. So the daily says sell, it does, but you know, I'm not trying to wait until you know, I'll say probably around. So you're basically saying if you take a short now, stop loss at 78K, right? So, but this trade, you're I'm sorry, right here. This trade, you're doing it so you don't have to. Your bets in the price gets 77,000 on the or 80K on the high side. We're talking about just to be safe. You're coming out to this trade within a couple of days, right? But your stop loss is already set anyway to protect yourself. Yeah, man, I freaking love this. So you guys, I posted it for you guys, so you could definitely use it, and it definitely does help. Yeah, man. So what else? What else is going on, man? Let me see. Wow, this maybe I can't use this because it's not working for me. I'm not sure why. But if you now go to you look at I have some other indicators here I'm using. This is TradingView. So basically saying, okay, I'm on the 4 hour chart. Let's take a look real quick. So he's saying basically, let me look at a 4 hour. Actually, 4 hour, right? So take profit at 77,000. Where are we right now? 77,000. So basically, we have to break this supply zone here. Let me go to daily. Yeah, see that? There's a huge. This is the daily chart. There's a huge supply zone from 74,000 all the way up to 77.5. So let me go back to here again. Look at that. Take profit 776. So yeah. So it might be a good. Like I said, if you guys set it up, it might be a good idea, right? I haven't played with this stuff yet as much as I want to, but it does work. I've been testing it little by little. But it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful what this thing could do. And I also have 2 custom indicators added to my dashboard, which is Lux Algo AI indicator from TradingView, also Quantum Algo, an AI indicator plus Fib Algo AI indicator. I have 3 AI indicators added to this, so I'm just all in with using AI to trade, man. But based on a 4 hour is also telling me, give me buy signals with a 73% confidence on the buy signal. 1, 2. So based on my 3 AI, 2 out of 3 are telling me I have a I have a 73% confidence in this taking the buy here. So buy here and take profit at 77,006. Yeah. Yeah, man. So guys, I don't know. I've given you the tools, man. I hope you guys use it. It's on my page right now. It's on my page right now for you guys to give it a try. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is so simple. All you have to do is click on this link, create an account. I think you use your email. I think you use an email. The email is any email. Use an email and just basically just copy this entire prompt, copy this prompt, paste it into this AI website. It's called Base 44. The AI website is called Base 44. And to create this dashboard for you, telling you when to buy, when to sell. Actually, that's my phone. What? I'll take a trade right now based on this. Let me because you wanted me to enter my code. Let me do that real quick. Close. Just 1 second. Let me do that right now. Code. 1 second, guys. Where's my code? What am I doing? Where is it? Guys, give me a second, guys. I'm trying to get my my login info here, man. Where'd you go? Here we go. Yeah, so because I actually believe that once you guys, I do recommend giving it a test first. Don't use too much money at first. Test it out first. See how that stuff works. Once you feel like you built enough confidence in it, then you can probably start using more money to trade, man. It's, 1, 4. There we go. Okay. Oh. 1 second. Give me a second. I'm trying to enter a code for something. 1 second. 5. Whoa, one more attempt. What? Cancel. I'm not sure it's not working. That's weird. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, so it's moving. We're about to break 75K. It's trying. But yeah, so guys, I would definitely recommend you guys give that stuff a try. It's on my page right now. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Just copy paste. That's it. Copy paste this entire thing into this stuff, and you're done. That's it. That's all you have to do, guys. You do that, and you can start trading like a pro. Let the AI guide you, right? I do recommend starting slow. I don't, say go all in all your money. Of course not, right? Of course not. But the stuff is pretty cool. Let's see what else. What time is it? It's 33. Let me see what else is going on. Let me see. So what I've been doing personally in this market, I've been very cautious, protecting my capital. I'm not taking that much risk so far, just taking it easy. I did buy Tau, right, at 100, and that's my average, like 100 and what's it called, 170 something bucks average. But Tau did have that weird little, not hack, but some project robbed on the on in the ecosystem, so it did go down. I didn't buy the dip. I have a buy set every month, but I mean it's not bad. I mean, Tau right now is what is how much? I think it's like 280 or whatever it is, or something like that. I think 260. 260. So it dipped. Tau was at 300 and like 300 and something or some shit. Like 360, 380. It now dipped. It dipped all the way down to 1 second. Let me do the past 1 month. So it was at like before that crazy rug happened on that project. It was like 350. We had a sharp decline down to like two something, like 220 or 250, I think 250. We're at 260 now. Like, I'm not too worried about it, man. I think we'll do well. All right, we'll do well. But yeah, man. So, like I said, I've been protecting capital. That's what I've been doing, and just taking it slow with the trading thing. I think I'm probably going to be more active, documenting my trade, telling you when I'm winning, telling you when I'm losing, all that stuff. But I've been using this AI stuff, and what I've been doing is I just want to make sure this stuff works a lot more, because I want to use a lot more liquidity to trade. Right? But I haven't yet, right? I'm just taking it slow. And when I do take my trades, I'm using between 2x to 5x. I'm not using a lot of money because the liquidation, is too freaking high, man. So, and the beautiful thing is because I'm trading higher time frames, so it's easier for me to I could trade higher time frames. It's easier. It's easier for me because there's less risk of getting liquidated or getting stopped out, because the higher time frames give you more leeway trading the 4 hour to the daily to the weekly. Trading weekly is pretty crazy because that one, you could take a trade now and don't cash out for 2 months or 3 months or 5 months. So that's kind of long. But and I can kind of show you what it looks like, right? I do like it though, but it's not for people that want to make money now. Like, for example, this is the weekly. This is the weekly chart. So imagine you took a long right here at 80,000. That was your long, right? You took a long here, and this was April 7, 2025 at 80K. But you didn't sell until you got to this point here, 130K. That's basically October. So basically, you took a trade in April, May, June, July, August, September, 7 months. So trading the weekly chart is like a 5 to 7 month freaking trade, man. Like, that's not a lot. Whales do that. So if you trade with a lot of money, if you trading with a lot of money, then yeah, that's fine. But if you have a lot of money to trade with, I would recommend within 1 hour to daily, right? So just say daily. Daily is still long, but it might be a little bit better. So just say you shorted Bitcoin from the top, right? This was October 2025, and you rolled it all the way down to the bottom here at 74K. So basically, from October all the way down to November. So that's a month. That's not bad, right? In 1 month, you short Bitcoin from 120K to 74. And if you held for longer than that, you could have rolled it all the way down to 60. That's another 3 months. So, but I think best thing to do is to trade between a 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Those are the time frames, because you could take a trade today, and as long as you have a good entry on your trade, you could hold that trade for next 3-4 weeks or 6 weeks, which is not that bad, using the 1 hour to daily. So for example, now, right? So just imagine you guys use the AI tool I'm using, and you have an entry. You have an entry here now, and basically you're taking profit at 76K and taking profit at 78K. You'll have two take profit regions here based on the AI tool I'm using. Taking profit 1, take profit 2. Not bad. The first take profit region is a 1 to 2 ratio. The other one is a 1 to 4 ratio. So you don't want. I mean, most people will just sell all here. We'll just sit and wait. But for this trade to play out, if I took this trade now, for this trade to play out, it could take me a week. It could take 1 month. It could take a month and a half. But as long as it's a higher time frame, you have a higher chance for your rewards to play out. Because, for example, I'll show you, and that's why it's also good to kind of understand, like, these indicators here. For example, looking at this, we're right now. Looking at this right now, Bitcoin is 74K8. So just say it gets to 76.4. Okay, this is my my hourly chart. Okay, so my hourly. So let me go to my hourly chart here. This is the 1 hour right here. It's my 1 hour chart here. So on my 1 hour chart, we actually broke out. We broke out above this supply zone. This is a nice bounce. Look at this bounce, man. That's crazy. Nice bounce, broke out after the supply zone. So on the 1 hour on this, do we have it just seems like we're going a lot higher on the 1 hour, right? That's what it looks like. But it doesn't necessarily mean we're not going to come back down to test this supply zone again. We just a strong breakout for sure. So yeah, man, it's I think it's very, very interesting to see how this stuff works, but it's very, very possible that we do come back down for sure, absolutely. But this is the reason why I like to trade in the 1 hour or the 4 hour, because it gives you you have a better leeway. But yeah, but it's a strong breakout now, and we could go higher, right? It's looking at getting to 76K for your first take profits, and who knows how long that would take. Go to the 4 hours of buy, daily wait, weekly waits. So it's on a longer time frame, it's telling me to wait. But on the 4 hours buy, 1 hour buy, and on the 15 minutes of buy. So the funny thing was when I first started to show, Bitcoin was at 74. And it was just breaking out. It was just breaking out. But shorting this, I don't like to short a breakout. I don't recommend it. But if I go to the 1 hour, I don't recommend it. But if you go down, you can see on the CCI is overbought, on the Williams overbought. My wave trend on the stochastic RSI is overbought. On my regular RSI is overbought. So shorting here might not be a bad idea, but based on what it's telling me here, it's saying long is your play, right? Because if you look at this right here, this is why it's overbought, because it broke past this. It broke past this this supply zone easily. Look at that massive candle breakout. So let me see. Outside channel. Yeah, man. Trading is cool, man. Trading is really cool. It really is. If you have the right tools, and that's why I said, like, why I'm using this live trading tools for me. You set your buy, set yourself automatic. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't. And another beautiful thing that I love about this is, I'll show you. Another beautiful thing that let me refresh this page, because I think it's frozen. Another beautiful thing I like about this, it gives you the percentage of conviction on each time frame. on the East time frame. So I just refreshed. I want to see if I could get a full screen going. And you could use this for any chart, any ticker, any. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm trying to go full screen. Resolve with AI. Hope it fixes it. All right, can I go full screen? No, it's okay. So it's telling me on the 4-hour chart, I have a estimated win rate is 40%. A 40% win rate if I took this trade, and it's a 43% confidence. That's what it's giving me right here. A 43% confidence. On the 1-hour time frame, 42% win rate, 45% confidence. On the 15-minute, this is 15-minute chart. So if I take a trade right now, it actually me to wait, right? So a 32% confidence and a 26% win rates. So I wouldn't take a trade right now on the 15-minute chart. So on the daily, telling me to sell. On daily, telling me to sell a 31% win rate, a 32% confidence. On the weekly, 23% confidence, 19% win rates. But like I said, I think taking trades on this stuff is good. You should also use your chart. Like, for example, right? Bitcoin went to 74,800. That was the price right here. This wick. I could have shorted this quickly on this wick. But like I said, you can trust the process, take a trade, and kind of you could take your trade, let it sit, right? But that's why I said I prefer the higher time frames. For example, I would like to see the 4-hour. I would like to see the 4-hour time frame match my daily. Because what's interesting is, you know what's interesting? What's interesting is, one second, what's happening here? What's very interesting is the daily time frame is more accurate than the 4-hour time frame. So if I see the daily time frame states, okay, for example, now we saw Bitcoin pumps, right? It went crazy. It just went to 74,800. If I seen sell on a daily, I'll take a short there. Because now I should be up. I should be up on my trade if I sold at 74,800. Because now the price is at 74,500. Looking at this on this chart. But like I said, the higher time frame is more accurate. So I would say if you're gonna use this, if you're gonna use this AI tool here, I would recommend you trading on the 4-hour and the daily. And also you're testing first. You have to make sure you test it first. Test. That would be my advice. Because if I take a trade on the daily now, it's betting the price is going to go back to 66,000. So if I take a trade now, I'm not trying to close my trade tomorrow or when it goes negative. So if I take a trade now on the daily, I'm taking profit at 66,000. But my conviction is 32%. So would I take that trade? No, because my win rate is 31%. That's also pretty low. But look at this one. This is a higher. If I bought here, I have a 43% chance of winning. And a 45% chance of winning on the 1-hour time frame. So it all depends. That's why I said play with this stuff, see how it works out for you, and I think that might be the best thing to do. So guys, I'm going to be back again to hopefully tomorrow. I have to see, like I said, the kids are busy. We don't want to sports. I don't want to miss what my kids do. I like to be involved, be around. But yeah, man. So guys, let me end the show here, man. I'll be back. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. And also check out the prompt is free. It's absolutely free for you guys to use. Create an AI live trading dashboard. It gives you buy and sell signals. Use this link absolutely free. Create your account. This entire stuff here, copy and paste this into your dashboard for you, and done. That's it. That's all you have to do, guys, and that's it. So I'll see you guys again later, man. I'm gonna take a trade right now because the market is doing some stuff. What I will do is, because we have this pump here. I'll see if I want to trade on the daily. I might trade the daily charts. We'll see. I'll take a look at it and see what I want to do. But yeah, man, trading is freaking awesome, guys. I think it is. So, guys, I'll see you guys again later. If I'm not live tomorrow, I'm going to be live on Wednesday. My goal is to be live at least 3-4 days a week. But I always announce it, so and I'm going to try to be more active on this thing. So when I take my trades, I'll show you what I'm doing, and we'll just chat. And that's it, guys. So guys, thank you for being here, man. I'll see you guys again later. You guys enjoy, and have a blessed day, guys. I'll see you guys again soon. Peace out, legend. I'll see you.